Step 1 is all about gathering your materials. You'll need some water containers. Think bottles or buckets, it's your choice. You'll also need pipes, a motor, a mini DC motor would do the trick, and of course, some fittings. Once you have everything at hand, it's time to move on to the next phase, designing your engine. Here, you need to envision how a motor can be spun by the flow of water. It's important to consider the flow direction and how you'll mount the motor. Now that you've got your design, it's time to make use of those pipes and fittings. These will channel the water flow to the motor. To do this, connect the water container to the electric motor using a pipe. You'll want to use fittings to ensure there's no leakage. Every drop counts. Next up, it's time to install the motor. Position it correctly and secure it firmly. To keep everything steady, place a heavy object on the shaft of the motor. This way, when the motor starts spinning due to the water flow, everything stays in place. The final step is testing and adjustments. After setting everything up, it's time to see the fruits of your labor. Pour water and watch if the motor starts running. If it doesn't, or if something seems off, don't sweat it. Tweaks and adjustments are part of the process. To summarize, creating a water-powered engine at home involves preparing the necessary materials, designing the engine, using pipes and fittings to deliver water to the motor, installing and securing the motor, and finally, testing and making necessary adjustments. So there you have it, a water-powered engine built right in your own space. Who knew harnessing the power of water could be so straightforward? Now go forth and create.